Hi everyone, it's Clara and I'm back. This time with a design team project for Climmie's creations. All the details will be down below. She asked me to use this kit to make something, and this is what I've done. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful kit with a springtime theme, and it uses one of my favorite colors, which is purple. So we went a little bit crazy with the purple. And let me just show you. Let's get into this. So this is the front cover. I really love this fabric. So I put some in the front. And I put this, this is part of the digital kit. I also painted over it with PVA glue and water. So I sealed it. And it is safe from water, etc., etc. And then I put some book corners here to go with the swirls on this fabric. So I put these book corners and they look absolutely lovely. And then this is the back, so you can see more of the cover. Butterflies and some, this is gold here. And this is the spine again. I dyed this spine by combining the ink from my inkjet. It was, what color was it? Pink and blue. And I got, of course, purple. And so I dyed this crocheted lace. It used to be white. So this is the spine. And I loved how this turned out. Some parts are darker, some parts are lighter. And I do like how that came out. Okay, so the spine is 8 centimeters wide, spine, and the journal measures approximately 21 centimeters by 15. And so, and it's again, I call them journal lap book. So this is another journal lap book. And so it has, as always, the envelope pouch here in the front, which can be opened like that. This is fabric. And it's got pockets in here, and I fill them in with all these fussy cutout butterflies from the kit. Let's dig in here. So they're all in here, these beautiful, beautiful butterflies from the kit. And those go in here. And again, I just reinforced the this part of the pouch with fabric so that you can open it. It doesn't matter how many times you open and close it, it's going to last. And I stitched in some parts of the journal I stitched and some parts I did not. So here I've just stitched with a purple thread, and this closes like that. And then we open this out like this, and we have a large tag that I collaged, and there is a little bird cage here. So that's the collage part that goes inside this pocket. And there is also this here, goes in there. And then, of course, here we have the flowers from the kit and the butterflies from the kit. The sun is coming out now. Thank you. So I just fussy cut them out and put them here, and these also come from the kit. There are plenty of sayings and words, etc. And this is a tag as well from the kit, very beautiful, with purple seam binding, what do you call it, ribbon here, backed onto coffee dyed paper. Goes into this pocket here. And then here we have like a notebook with scraps of paper that I found lying around. So they're all in here. And of course, when you untie this, you can replace these papers. And that's what's underneath. As you can see, you can just untie and punch the holes again and replace the papers. And here we have a journaling card backed onto 300-gram paper. That goes in this pocket here. And then we open that. We have 2 pockets here with some Edith Holden pages, parts of Edith Holden pages. That's going to be braided there. And then here we have another large tag, Pretty Butterfly from the kit. And I love this purple as well. So that stays in here. Goes in there nicely. Then we come to this part of the journal. And as you can see, I put butterflies at the end of the thread closures. Yeah, so you just open that and there's some more ephemera from the kit. Very beautiful. So that closes like that. And then we open the other one, which also has the butterfly. And this is my favorite postcard from the kit. Some collaging at the back. And I like these eyelets. You can see they look like stars, or they are stars. And then we open here, and we have pockets here, and a pocket here, and a pocket here, which I will fill in with ephemera later on. And then we have this really large pocket here as well, with the fabric here. And again, we have a butterfly at the end of the string. Nice shiny butterfly. And inside again, I put the fabric here so that you can open and close it without worrying about it getting spoiled. And we have this large pocket for documents and stuff, photos, etc., etc. And then now we come to the main part of the journal. We have 144 pages back to front. So as you can see, this is the beautiful part of the digital here. It's really lovely. And I've put just a tag here with the floral or flower lace trim. And then you have these beautiful glass beads. There's a blue one here, purple, and this just see-through glass, literally sparkling in the sun. And then we continue. Lovely digital book pages. And I had, by some great coincidence, a book that I just recently bought, an old flower book, and it had images of irises, so of course it had to go in here. So in here we have a mixture of pastel colors and coffee dyed paper, a little bit of grunge here and there, as in this here, this coffee dyed music paper. Collage at the back. And this lovely purple. More coffee dyed paper. And this is this would be a great writing journal as well. And then we have this lace trim and this label here from the kit. Just backed it onto a hard cardstock and made it like a charm, I should say. I just hung it here. This is beautiful. Writing space, more book pages. They're all in German. This is from the kit. And here we just have an old vintage At least from the 70s or 80s postcard. Put it in this pocket. Some more of those beautiful florals. And I must say, when you want to write in this journal, you can't have this down, because otherwise it will be a bit too high here, though it can work. But you just open this, and this, because of the nature of the spine, I think I mentioned this before, the journal part of the lap book lies quite flat. And here we just have a paper clip with some sari silk, purple sari silk, and some more journaling cards. And another tag with some more glass beads. I'm really into these glass beads these days. And a beautiful purple digital. I love this page. That's part of, this is what's in the front of on the cover. I think it's this part here. More book page, more writing space. Coffee dyed paper again. And I use these digitals as well quite often. They make great backing papers. Some more lovely purple, pinks, greens. Writing space, more writing space. And this journal, of course, whoever wants it or buys it has room to add pockets and stuff like that inside this main journal. It's a nice purple trim. These are all, this is from the kit. Nicely with this green, the green leaves there. Old book page. The digital kit, look at this. And then this lovely gold trim that I put here with some purple shiny leaves. And a bulb pin. Some more iris. Lined paper, old book page, German poem that is. Again, some nice pink. I guess it doesn't really show you because the sun is shining, but these are the nice pink flowers. Tea dyed paper, beautiful. Also beautiful. Oh, and I forgot to show you the glass beads at the bottom of the journal on the signature strings. So we have that too. Let me show you them quickly, or I can't this way. We'll go back at the end, but we have them here, as you can see. Oh, the sun is gone. Oh. Beautiful. More bags. This is from the kit. As is this one. Lots of lined papers. This is beautiful. And again, we have a bulb pin with some of those shiny purple leaves and this tag that we made. And then we come to the end of the writing space and we come to the lap book part. So here we have some journaling tags. And this again has the, where does this? Yeah, has the butterfly. Let me open that. Lots of space in here to store something or some things. Close it like that, and this is lace here, and these go in here. Open this up. We have this window pocket. Made it from a CD cover, CD sleeve. Edith Holden. that goes in here. And this is again some more writing space, right? So it's just coffee dyed paper. This is an encyclopedia page from an old encyclopedia that had something about the iris. So this quite a coincidence. I included it there. Music paper. So basically more journaling space. And then at the end here we just have this tag inside this pocket. And then again here we have a large pocket here. Very nice. I love this cardstock. This is a vintage birthday card. Coffee dyed envelope. And just an old book page. Goes in there. And then here we have this section here that can be used to store some documents or etc here. And these are window pockets with some more ephemera from the kit. So they go in here. And then there's another one at the bottom here. So that goes in there. And we close it up. And the butterfly again. And then last but not least, this is a flip out and a very large, beautiful envelope that I haven't glued down. So whoever gets this can do whatever they want with it. And also we have a pocket here and of course another pocket here. And this stays here like that with this paper clip. And that's the end of the flip through. And this is the journal again with it open. Oops. So thank you so much for watching. And thank you so much to all my new and old subscribers. I am of course blown away by how quickly I got to 2,000, over 2,000 just I think in a very short space of time, though that's not that important, but I have to thank the people who have subscribed. That means they're enjoying my work and they're enjoying my flip throughs and they want to see more. So I will be back soon again with some more projects that I'll be completing. And once again, thank you so much for all your wonderful comments. I'm still trying to reply to all of them, and thank you. And we'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye.